Good morning, class. Chapter prepositions we are discussing. Last live class up to exercise D we have discussed. Okay. Though some network issues are going on, but we have completed that part. Now, exercise E. I said this one little bit knowledge we know about the prepositions because we need about the preposition. Why? Because the sentences are already framed here. Even the prepositions are also used on those sentences. Like you see the first one I'm writing. See, daddy. By the picture we have to go. See, the picture is already given in the book. All of you just see page number 124. With the picture we have to match up whether the prepositions are used in the sentence properly or not. If you see, daddy is sitting. Daddy is sitting at the rocks. The first sentence is like that. Now see how at the rocks can be. So it is wrong. So what we'll do, first we'll circle the wrong preposition. Then instead of that we'll write the proper one. So here if you write, it will come on the rocks. Daddy is sitting on the rocks. If you see the picture, it is very clarified that sitting on. We are used to with this on, and we have discussed where to use on over a verb, isn't? So it is on the rocks. Second, you see Nishi. Second, this one will replace and the same will be there. Instead of that, we'll use on. Number 2, you see, is Nishi. It is Nishi is sitting. Nishi is sitting in the big rock. Again you see, in means something which is inside. Okay, that is wrong. What we can use? Over the big rock. Is it? On, over, above. So it will be over. Okay, I'm marking with square the right one, and the wrong one you have to circle. So at, on, first. Second you see, in, over. Okay. Third one, let's see. Mama is sitting under Missy. Mama is sitting under Missy. You see, Mama. Mama is sitting under Missy. So here under is wrong. Why? Because you can see by the picture it is not possible that under. So under will be replaced with in front. You can see in front of Missy, mother is sitting, or you can write here beside, but it's not exactly beside, in front of. Okay, so you can use here what? In front of. Okay, in front of. So full sentence you will write the answer, but with the proper preposition. Okay. Number 4, you see the blue sky below and the green grass on their paws look beautiful. It is not possible. Blue sky below. What will be that? The blue sky above. The blue sky above and the green grass under their paws look beautiful. Is it? I'm rubbing this one. Okay. What is that? The blue sky. The blue sky below and the green grass under their paws look beautiful. Okay, this is the sentence. So these two are wrong, below and under. Instead of that, what we will use? First below will be above and second under will be it is on. I have written here the correct one. It will be under only. Okay, on there it's given on the sentence on, so it will be under. Okay, under Their paws look beautiful. Okay. Next sentence, let's see. They all love running under the rocks. Under the rocks, it is very means it's just impossible to run under the rocks. Okay, so they all love running um, on the rocks, jumping between the hedges. Two hedges you can see in the picture. Between the hedges, they are jumping and hiding behind the bushes. Hiding behind the bushes. Okay, so behind the bushes they are hiding and jumping between the hedges. Clear? And running on the rocks. So this is only exercise E. Try to complete this one. Okay, till then, thank you class.